Hi guys, at Willaston, I'm crossing Cheshire, mountains and dirt cones. Right, the time now is
1944.
on the
Sunday, 1st October.
2023. We are down for our
Transport Wales service from Shrewsbury, made up of 152.55.
right. Dad might stand back again. Dad, just stand back again.
We'll be stopping at Namricks this one though, so it shouldn't go as fast.
But Dad, just stay back. Because these trains go really fast at night. It's no joke. I am telling you, they do go really fast at night. Dad, just move a bit back. I'm stopping there. Oh. I like the red lights flashing on my camera. Look, just look at my camera. Look, just
Oh yeah.
looks pretty awesome. It's a bit cool. And awesome too. Put the camera down so nobody think I'll be recording. Oh my God. Don't know what's going on here.
No.
I think I hear it. Not sure. Just stay back a little bit. It is. Yeah. 152, 55 to Shrewsbury, and up they go. Thank you guys, and see you next video.